At this point, what I'm just doing is that right as I finish the clip, what I would do is that I would immediately record another one, and I'm gonna be doing this at night. Like, I'm gonna be uploading the videos at night, because yes, so I can record as many in the day. You know, I feel like just this high is good enough, but at the same time I don't. Da 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 na na da na na. Bum 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 bum. Thing is becoming. It takes 4 blocks for those particles. Yeah, those particles, whenever you land, it takes a height of 4 blocks. I don't know why, I just got bored and I just wanted to do it for no reason. Oh. Oh, this is actually very good. I'm actually proud. I think by the end I should be able to complete this. I really don't know. Thanks. Yep. Actually. Yeah, it's a bit tilting to this way. Actually, no, it isn't. Actually, I think I might be finished 2 of them in this episode. Yeet. Yeah, I think this would be as tall it will go. Wait, how many blocks high is this? One, two, three, 4, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 13 blocks high would be it. Alright, now I'm gonna need black, like full on black. Alright, yeah, just